Warm greetings from my side to my dear viewers. Hello everyone. Well, today my message is especially for my team, that is my team of efficient, dedicated teachers. If an engineer makes a mistake, one building will collapse. But when a teacher makes a mistake, the whole generation will collapse. So I come with the very idea. Of course, no need to tell the teachers who are in profession, especially those who are in profession, very dedicated. But a little boost, a little motivation, and a little direction towards where we are going. So today the student, the child, what he needs today is, he doesn't need a monologue, especially when the teacher is teaching in the class and talking about that situation. He doesn't need a monologue, right? Today's child is a multitasker, remember. And we are dealing with somebody who is capable of multitasking. Okay, so he doesn't need a monologue, whereas he needs a multi-log. So get into some links from the YouTube channel, from the Google and many more applications, and make your teaching a very multitasking or multi-log learning experience for the child. Right? Yes, it's a bit of a challenge because we belong from the generation where I believe, at least myself, where we had the system was monologue, where the teacher used to enter, take the textbook in the hand and start. Okay, so all 40 minutes and then leave, giving us the homework which is at the back of the textbook. But today the child is not so. So it is a little challenge. But as we are in the profession, we have taken up the challenge. The child today needs to explore, to discover. Right? He has given maximum choices, maximum opportunities for application. Whatever he learns, I will suggest not going by chapter, but even minimize your area to paragraph or to page after page. Okay, and give him opportunities for applications. Let him come out with his ideas. Say after you teach a lesson or paragraph or a page, if you have a lot of content, give them, make groups and ask them, how will you apply this? Whatever we have learned here, how will you apply? They will come up with the ideas. So yes, today the education has to be application oriented. It has to be application oriented. Back in the days, if we recall, the career used to be one disciplinary career, right? A single disciplinary career. But today, because of the caliber of the child, because of the potential the child has, it has become a multi-disciplinary career. Every child, we have to see, it is our responsibility that every child gets a fair chance. And when I say fair chance, it's very, very important to understand here a fair chance. Every child gets a fair chance. Right? That is, we don't give same question to all. We ask different questions to all. Or if we give same question, we have the patience, the tolerance to accept different answers from it. Right? So that is what I mean when I say a fair chance. Every child should get a fair chance. And this fair chance, this word is very important. The idea behind, please try to keep focus on that and try to evaluate your own self. Whether am I giving fair chance to all. Okay, so one child may answer correctly, but the second child may answer differently, but in the opposite way. Something very different from the correct answer, but it is acceptable. And he deserves that fair chance. He deserves those flying, flowery marks. So that is what I mean when I say a fair chance. So this is a very big responsibility where no child feels neglected. Every child gets the opportunity to apply what is learning. Every child gets the opportunity to discover, to explore, from what he has learned. God was conducting an exam, and this man with great efforts reaches to the exam hall. When he is about to enter the exam hall, God asks him, I cannot see anybody with you. Have you come alone? Who has come with you? So the man says, no sir, I have come all alone. So the God shuts his door and says, I was expecting a mob with you. So today we are living in the era where we believe in doing good together. Doing good, bringing maximum people together. Okay, that is bringing the mob together so that God doesn't shut the doors upon us. Right? So that was all for today. Hope my message is clear, loud and clear, and I really expect good application from the teachers as well. Thank you for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.